Hi everybody, Cynthia here. I'm back to do a few paper bag album shares. I did one for Valentine's Day and two you kind of saw in a previous video. I have two Easter albums. So I'm going to just do a quick page through and show you what they look like. They are available in my eBay. I will post a link below if you guys are interested. These paper bags I get from Hobby Lobby, and they're really nice and sturdy bags. When you fold them in half, it measures 5.5. No, wait, is it 5.5 by 6? I think. Let me double check. Yeah, 5.5 by 6. So on the front cover, I have a purple heart doily. It says My Valentine. And then I just layered in some different kind of hearts, flower here, and then Your Kiss Warms My Soul. It's a tulle ribbon binding with some of that fun fur yarn, and then, or floss, whatever you want to call it. And then I have a charm hanging from the binding, different beads. I beaded up, double heart charm there. It has a ribbon closure. I'm just going to open it up, page through. So most of all the photo mats I've embossed with different embossing folders. And this one has the hugs and kisses on the side here. And then I made a banner. This one has two photo mats with hearts and flourish swirls. And it says, You Hold the Key to My Heart. And then this page has large roses. Actually, they both have large roses. And then this has a little love mason jar. And over here, I have one of my handmade embellishments, which has a heart and flower, and it says Cherish. And it's an envelope. And then you can pull this out. And on this side, I just stamped some of that script stamp I have. Script writing from one of my stamps. And then you can just put a little photo there or journal. And then also, the photo will just slide behind all of the embellishments that I have. I forgot, the first page has a pull out, which I used my heart punch to create the tabs. And then I drew on some faux stitching on both sides. This is the photo mat, and it just tucks back in this really nice large side pocket. And then there's another one here. So there's 3 large side pockets for extra photos. And then this one's embossed with large hearts and little hearts. And then there's a flower here, mulberry flower with some of that vellum layer. And then a puffy heart sticker. And then over here I created a pocket and embossed the pocket. And then I have a flourish with another heart sticker. And tucked in 3 more photo mats. And then on this side I hand stamped Valentine's Day, and this one I hand stamped little hearts across that say Be Mine. And this one I just hand stamped hearts all the way down the side for a border. And then this page I have 2 photo mats. All these are embossed with the hugs and kisses, the XO. And then I have 2 puzzle pieces here that I stamped and colored and inked. And this one has the hugs and kisses sentiment and the little hearts that say Be Mine. And this puzzle piece here has Always Love You with little hearts and a little bit of glitter accents. And I use glitter glue so none of the glitter will rub off. And this page I have a little scallop circle that I hand drew little dots on, and then I have one of those red heart puffy stickers, and then this page flips up. So you could put photo here and a photo here. And you could add a photo on the front too. And then here's the last large side pocket. And that's the photo mat that was in that one. And then the last two pages have small roses that I embossed. And over here it has a felt cupcake embellishment. And then up here it has a little ticket embellishment that says sweet and then hugs and kisses on each side. And then this is the back. So that's my Valentine one. And then I have two Easter ones. They're very similar. In a previous video, I shared how I made all of these flowers. So I added a bunch of flowers here. And I also have this little tiny bunny. And these bunnies were actually gifted to me by my friend Celestina. And she made a ton of them and put them in for me to use in my photo albums. And she actually put like little tutu things on there. I just thought it was so cute. I had to use them. So I have it here, and then I have little egg stickers, and then the greens here, and it says Easter blessings. And then I have like a felt carrot on this side. And this one also has a beaded charm. Has an Easter bonnet and butterfly and those three beaded charms. This one also is a tool and fun for ribbon enclosure. Ribbon binding, and then I have this really pretty green ribbon as a closure. And then this is the first two pages here. I made this banner over here, and then it has a pull out. Same thing, nice large side pocket, and two photo mats here. I didn't do any dry embossing in this one because not everybody likes dry embossing, so wanted to kind of switch it up a little. Two large photo mats here, stamped out picture perfect, and I have a little flower sticker there. And then I hand stamped this little Polaroid embellishment here and added a little foam bunny on the bottom. And then there's another pull out. And there's this one, Some Bunny Loves You. And then I have a side pocket here with some of this really pretty grass and floral washi tape. And then I cut out a bunny sticker. He's holding a little carrot. And then there's three pull outs in this one as well. And this one's really nice for journaling. Okay, and this is the next where I have two photo mats here. Foam eggs with a little chick coming out. And again, this has a flip page for more photos. And the last side pocket with another large pull out. And I use scallop circles this time for my tabs, which I inked up with my white Jelly Roll pen. And these are the last two photo mat pages. And then this is the back. And then this one here is extremely similar. This one says Happy Easter. And I have another beaded charm here. And the only difference is this one has a little bunny instead of an Easter bonnet. And he's holding a little Easter egg. Same thing, ribbon enclosure. And I'll just page through this really quick because it looks like my battery is dying. Pull out from one of the side pockets. And then I made this banner. And then there's a photo mat, two photo mats, says loads of eggs. Same thing, picture perfect. Did the Polaroid over here again. and then another pull out. And then this next page, I did another side pocket with the washi tape, except this time I added an Easter basket with a little chick in it. It says baskets and bunnies. And then these are the pull outs for this page. And this one says Easter. So they're similar but different. And then I do have the same eggs and chick on this side with the 2 photo mats. And again, another flip page. Another side pocket. And the last 2, I have another Easter egg here, and it says "You Crack Me Up" on this side. And then that's the back of the album. So those are my latest paper bag albums. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.